What is food to you? Is it how you spend time with friends and family, gathering around meals, deepening your relationships, sharing recipes? Or do you truly focus on nourishing yourself, carefully choosing the foods you eat for their health and longevity benefits? Maybe you figured out how to hide veggies in all of your meals, and your kids not once have suspected they've actually eaten spinach or butternut squash. Perhaps you are a foodie and have been cooking for years. Your friends now refer to you as the chef, and everyone is pumped to come over for dinner. You've mastered a perfect steak, make your own bone broth, your salads have strawberries in them, and you can even make your own balsamic vinaigrette. Maybe you even make meringues that don't break, or your chicken soup really does heal the soul. Or perhaps, more likely, you don't put too much thought into your food. It's there, you eat it 3 to 5 times a day. It's okay, it's just for sustenance. For us, food has simply been a way of survival. We have never been foodies, just eaties. Naaman and I have been married for almost 15 years, and our meals haven't evolved into a wider, more refined taste like I thought they might through the years. Our food eating habits have been rather plain and typical for an American family. Growing up, my family ate more Slavic foods. However, neither of us were really taught how to cook. Together, we weren't adventurous in our food, and now we're feeling the consequences. Food is kind of boring, and we eat the same things over and over again. It's not so much comfort food as it has become comfort zone food. And we all know what they say about living in your comfort zone. Eventually, it'll kill you. Our meals are simple, and they do the job of feeding. Chicken noodle soup, tacos, fajitas, rice, salmon, burgers, hot dogs, frozen pizzas, fruit, and some veg. They're okay. They're not special. I'm sure you've had at least one of the things we eat on a regular basis, but I want more. The person I want to be, the version of me that is better and living the life I'm dreaming of, she knows how to cook. She can whip up a meal in 30 minutes and make it delicious. She knows the right way to prepare a rack of lamb, a steak, mushrooms, fish, and knows exactly what wine goes with it. Her salads are divine and dressed with homemade sauces. She makes a variety of meals for every day. Even her snacks are delicious. Her soups are very flavorful, and her homemade bread makes you feel just the right amount of coziness. She knows how to make dessert, all kinds of dessert. She doesn't just fish out ice cream out of her freezer and serve it with chocolate chip cookies. No, she makes fruit tarts and Napoleon cakes, homemade madeleines and chocolate mousse. Not so much that she puts her family's health into jeopardy, but just enough to make life taste a little bit sweeter. This version of me plans meals and entertains friends. She puts together a beautiful spread and everyone enjoys eating at her house. This is who I'm slowly moving toward becoming. I want food to become something more than just basic fuel. I want it to be a well of nourishment, full-bodied, tasty meals, and occasional indulgences. I want to share food with family and friends in hopes that it feeds their belly as well as our relationships. I want my kids to develop an appreciation for a wide variety of foods and not be the typical picky eaters of American upbringing. This year will be a year of cooking. I'll be trying all kinds of recipes to help define what foods we actually like and which recipes we save and which we throw away. I'm sure some of them will work great and some will flop. In the end, I hope we can connect with food on a new level, with a new range of recipes in my back pocket after a full year of experimenting and experiencing new foods. Follow along to see what I whip up and cook along with me if you find the recipes suit you too. Leave any recipes that you think I should try down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.